Data tips here. So today we are going to learn about the foreign keys. As you can see, the definition of foreign key constant specifies that the values in column must match the values appearing in some row of another table. So we can say this maintains the referential integrity between two related tables. Right. So let's understand this by an example. I am going to create two tables. One will be the products table and the other one will be the orders table. So in the product table I'll be having two columns. One will be product ID and the other one will be product name. Product name will be the text and product ID will be the integer. Why I'm having product ID is because there can be multiple products with the same name, right? So to differentiate among those product name, we need to have a unique identifier which will be the product ID in our case, and I'm going to make it as a primary key so that it doesn't create any duplicate values, right? So let's create a table. Okay, our table has been created. Let's create the orders table. And in the orders table, there can be multiple orders for the same product, right? So in this case, the order ID will be the primary key in this table, right? To differentiate among all the orders, we need to have the unique value. So for the unique value, we are going to make a primary key to our order ID, right? This will be integer. Okay, and the second thing will be we are going to enter those product ID or product numbers which have been ordered, right, which exist in the products table, right? So anyone can order only those products which exist in our inventory, right? So in this case our products table is our inventory table, so anyone can order any product, but those products should exist in this products table, right? So to maintain this referential integrity in this orders table as well, we use the concept of foreign key. Okay, so in this case what I'm going to do is product ID references, it references the products table, and on which column, it references the its product ID. Okay, so now we have this table as well, right? So if I create this, oh, okay, product ID will also be integer, so we need to give the data type. Now let's run it. Okay, a table has been created. Now let's try to enter the record in both the tables. So insert the record into products table. Okay, since the product ID is integer, right? So in integer we can type any number, right? It will be 1 comma the product name should be anything, right? I4. And let's insert the So you cannot enter the duplicate value in this product ID since it is primary key. So primary key means that particular column should be not null and unique. Okay, so I'm just making it unique and not null. And in this column I'm going to iPhone 13, iPhone 12, iPhone 11. Okay, so now you can see we have our inventory in our products table. Now let's try to insert an orders table. Suppose one customer orders this iPhone 13, right? So what will be the value? Already one, or you can put order ID any, like any random number, but it should be unique. So I'll put it here like 1, and then what is the product ID? Here the product ID for iPhone 13 is 1, right? So I'll put 1. Okay, so it will be 1 1, right? One record has been inserted. Suppose second customer also orders the iPhone 13, what will be the case? If second customer also orders the iPhone 13, value will be, since our order ID is primary key, so it should be unique, so we need to make it 2, right? And the second customer also orders the iPhone 13, so it should be 1 because this is our product ID and it references the products from here, and this iPhone 13 has a product ID of 1, right? So if we insert this, it will be 1, right? So now some other customer orders the iPhone 12. Let's order the iPhone 12. So iPhone 12 has ID of 2, and since we have already entered the ID 2, so we need to make it unique. It should be 3, and then it should be 4, and some other customer orders the iPhone 13 which has product ID of 3, right? So if you try to insert this, okay, there must be some error, right? What it is giving, comma 3. Okay, so let's select okay, so we have 1 1, so we need to insert, let's insert this. Okay, so this has been created. Now let's try to insert order ID 3. Okay, this also has been created, right? Now suppose if I want to insert some different suppose if I want to insert some different product, right? Suppose I have iPhone 11, right? Suppose I want to insert TV or iPhone 10, which doesn't have entry in our products table, right? And suppose that iPhone 10 has some ID, give it random ID like 23, right? If I try to insert this, right, let's see what happens, right? So if you see the error, key product ID equal to 23 is not present in the products table, right? So that 23 is not present in the products table. So if I try to make an entry in this products table, okay, iPhone 10 and make it 23, right? Now let's try to insert this again. Can you see? Now we can make an entry in the orders table, right? So the point is, the foreign key maintains the referential integrity between these two tables. So whatever the entry you have in this products table, only that entry can be entered in the orders table. If you try to enter some different entry which is not present in the products table, then it will throw a referential integrity error. So that is the concept of foreign key. Thank you for watching.